Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So reset my car. In this video I'm going to show you I can change the menu language of a Renault Trafic 2022. Customer wants it in a different language and this is a very short video on how to do it. First off, turn the ignition on, don't start the car. Then we're going to use this area. Go to the home button or the menu button over here. Then you'll find the settings. Then over here is language. Scroll down for your desired language, let's say Dutch. Go back and you'll see that it has changed to the Dutch language. Put it back in English, UK, and it changes right away. That was it. Short video on how to change the menu language of a Renault Trafic. It also changes the instrument cluster language. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.